original Dory in how looks. I draw, this is a cartoon Dory, okay, and I show what is the original, how looks original Dory. Okay. Like this is original Dory's screen. Original Dory's this part is almost same, the tail part. Here only this like this. This part, okay? Like this. And this is the blue and yellow. Yellow and blue is a true original color. And here also like this. This is very interesting. So this is we are going to color. Yes. This Dory is going to color. We're going to color this Dory. What color is Dory? Originally, what color is cobalt blue? Okay. So we are making color cobalt blue, cobalt blue, cobalt blue. Okay, take color. You make the French ultramarine blue or cobalt blue. Cobalt is good. Okay, first make the basic color. Okay, I do this basic blue color. Okay, you are try to blue. Okay, Yalini, done beta the drawing. You are coloring this drawing. Yes. Yes. We are making this. Blue color. Okay, I just put this. Blue. Okay, this is also blue. Make it bluish. That's the same blue, the cobalt blue. But first make the basic color. Okay. No any second tone, third tone. The first to make the basic same color everywhere. After that we put this second tone. This color we can put some dark blue, Prussian blue, okay? We put black also, which is basically same. You can put the black. to make this dark color like a black. Dark black or Prussian blue you can use it. Okay. Oh my god, I forgot here actually blue. Here actually we should put the yellow color. But I'm giving this Prussian. Here's the yellow. I forgot. Okay, this is only yellow. And this color is yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. So we can put yellow, yellow, dirty yellow, yellow, then. This makes some eyeball. Make eyeball. Make like this. Like this. We are making little shading over here with a Prussian blue. You learn the shading now. I apply the shading now here. Put the little shading. Okay. Yes. Nice. Make it a free. Oh, this is good. This is good. This is good. Make it a frame like settings 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and set like this. Okay, just make some tree. If you make something your own design in underwater, you can make it. I make something. I make some coral inside the water. So it looks more underwater things. Joanna, show Vita your drawing. Create some underwater tree and water bubbles. Oh, here also color blue. Here also blue color. Oh, yes, Joanna, it looks like your fish at your home. The background is off and look like it's dancing your face in your home. Yeah, this is nice. So today you are to learn how to draw the shadings,